Hello everyone, I welcome you to Physics 182 course. My name is Arjun and I am your host for this course. This is me, and this is a brief introduction about me. I'm teaching here from more than 9 years now, and I welcome you all to this course. And in this video, I'll be telling you what you can expect about this course and where you can find all the information about this course. So majority of the information you will find under the announcement for my course. Very less information will be under content, but there will be some important things which will be provided under the content. Mainly you will be looking at here on this course homepage. So first of all, the important upcoming events, you will find all the important upcoming events down here. So this is the due date for the lab, and if someone wants to start it, they can start it right away. This is the due date for the assignment. You can download it and you can work onto it, but I will highly recommend you, first of all, you study the material and then go into the doing these labs. For labs, you will get the three chances. For assignments, it is means you can do it on your own and submit it before the 6th of June, first assignment. Same way, there are other deadlines down here. And midterm, this is an important date. Make sure you keep an eye on these dates down here. And if you are confused about these dates, from here you can always go to the assessments, and then you can find the due dates under the test section and the assignment section also. So for example, if I click onto the test section, I can see here the final exam is available on the 9th of August, and it's going to go up to the 15th of August. And for same way, the midterm dates are also available down here. Test dates are also available down here. Okay, you can look into them. And here are the labs. These are the three labs which you will be doing. For lab, you're going to get the three chances. For test and for the final and the midterm, only going to get the one chance. But for these three labs, you will get three chances for individual lab, and the best one will be counted. All right, and now I'm going to go back to the assessments and then going to go to the assignments before I go back, actually. So these are the two assignments, and the due dates are also being published down here. Okay, now if I go back to the course homepage, and it's going to take me somewhere here, and here I've put in the welcome message. Also, I posted my email address. If you have any confusion, you can give me email me. You can call me on Teams, or you can call me on my phone number. And these are the important deadline due dates also available here. So 15th of May for the drop date, and withdrawal date is 15th of July. And there are certain exam rules, so please make sure you go over these exam rules. These guidelines are really important. I have put it in here, and if you have any question about these guidelines, please contact me. These guidelines are not provided under the test section. Please make sure, this is an expectation that you're gonna read these guidelines before you go in the exams. Don't complain that these guidelines are not provided under the test section, and I forgot about these guidelines because I read it earlier. So these are here. You can always go back to here, come back here and read through this. If you have any confusion about these guidelines, you can ask me early. And I have also provided you down here a dummy test under assessment, then test. If I go to the down here, there's a dummy test. If you are new to physics, new to SAT, and you never taken any course with me, you can always do this dummy test so that you have an idea of what to expect. Like for example, how the classroom, how your environmental setting of your room should be, and what you can carry, what you cannot carry. All those things you will be able to practice under this dummy test. So for read these rules, if I go back to this course home page, read these rules, what you can carry and what you can't carry, and how you should how the room should look like, and then try and do the dummy test so that you can use to the lockdown browser. All right, now the next thing which I wanted to talk about is the time for you guys. So every Friday between 5:15 to 6 p.m. you can see me online. So this is not a mandatory requirement. You can come here. If you have any confusion about anything with regards to this course, you can come and see me in an online environment, and I'll try to answer your questions to the best of my knowledge. The link to join the classroom is this one. Please make sure, try to refrain from this excuse that I'm working at this particular time, because I mean, I can do that much. So if you are working during this time, try and take a mini break for 15 minutes, jump into this session and ask me the questions, and here you go. And I'll answer your question. So, for example, if someone wanted to ask, how many questions are there on the exam? So, on the test one, what is the syllabus for test one? Although I've already provided all this information, but sometimes we wanted to know about, we wanted a quick solution. So you can always join into this session from 5:15 to 6, and I'm here, and you can ask me the question, and off you go. That's about it. All right. And then I'll go to the content section. So under the content section, there is certain information which is provided for you guys here. What I will try to do is I'll try to view it as a student so that it will be easier for you to understand. So if I go to the content section, and then here student resources, I've provided the information about the formula booklet here. So there is formula booklet. One thing I want to tell you, you can add some formulas on your formula booklet. Again, listen to this carefully. You can add some formulas to your formula booklet. If you're not sure what you've added is appropriate or not, if you are adding anything on your formula booklet, just send me via Teams or email it to me. Ask me that, hey, does this look okay to you? And then I'll approve it. Okay, don't send it to me 1 minute before you start the test. Send it to me at least 3, 4, 5 days before you write the exam. Okay, so uh, please, that again, one more time, I won't accept that excuse that I was waiting for you to reply back and I couldn't get the reply back. You can always call me also if you are in a hurry. Okay, so next thing I wanted to tell you down here is course information. So if I go to the course information down here, uh, this is no, this is integrity policy. One second, if I go back to the content, and under the welcome message, this is my information, but I was just looking at the course information. Did I provide you guys here or not? Physics course outline. Let me just quickly open this one. And yeah, this is the course outline. For your test, your midterm is 20%, your final is 30%, and then labs are 15% weightage, quizzes are 15% weightage, two quizzes. Total comes down to 100%. And if I talk about course schedule, so you will find the course schedule down here. This is the course schedule. I'll try to post it up there also, but if you couldn't find it there, this is the course schedule for you guys. It is under the home page. It is down here under the announcements. So course schedule is down here. So this is the course schedule. Open this up, read through this. If you have any questions and queries about the course schedule, ask me. And majority of the times, I mean, if you find that any date is an issue, so always go by these dates. These are the dates for the test and the labs also. And I've posted the important pages to study on the course schedule also. So you can always look into the course schedule and see which pages you must study so that you don't miss out on any information. All right, and yeah, that's about it from my side. If I am missing anything or if you have any questions, you can always ask me. One more thing I wanted to tell you here, down here you will get the book information also. This is the book which I'm following, and yeah, so if you have any questions, contact me early, and I wish you all the best. And for the test purpose, you are allowed to carry the formula booklet, pen and pencil, and scientific calculator. Do not take the graphing calculators with you. It is a scientific calculator which you can use. Okay, so that's about it from my side. And I wish you all the best. If you have any question, come and see me in the online tutorial. Good day. Bye now.